bosses, Machiavelli.
It's Mimo on the track, B.I.
Menace and methods label me a lethal weapon, making niggas die, witnessing breathless imperfections. Can you picture my specific plan? To be the man in this wicked land, underhanded hits a plan. Scams are plotted over grams of rock. Undercover agents die by the random shot. We all die in the end, so revenge be swole. I was all about my ends, fuck friends and foes. Me, a born leader, never lead a block without my heater. Got me a dog and named him my bitch nigga eater. What could they do to me, a little brat? Shit, them niggas that shot me is still terrified. I think they ass. How can I show you how I feel inside? We outlaws, motherfuckers can't kill my pride. Niggas talk a lot of shit, but that's after I'm gone. Cause they fear me in the physical form. Let them be known no trouble.
I'm a general, and I'm a smart general. And I'm not gonna attack no blind soldiers. I'm attacking those attacking me. Only reason people is mad now is because I came out of jail and made this shit a reality.
Troubles, 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 troubles. Tell me young nigga never learned a thing. Troubles, 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 troubles. Dead at 13 cause he yearned to bang. Gutter ways, my mentality is ghetto. A gorilla in this criminal war. We all rebels. Death before dishonor, bet I bomb on them first. Niggas knew we came for murder.